Hello friends, my name is Shamli Tiwari and I am welcoming you to my new video. In this video we will see about the units and dimensions. Okay, now let us start with our target. Our today's target is we will see about the quantity, what is meant by physical quantity and the types of physical quantity. Okay, here first of all we will see the definition of the quantity. What is meant by quantity? Quantity means any amount of substance used to measure the amount or used to measure that particular substance, right? That is called as quantity. Amount of substance is called as what? Quantity. Here, first one we will see about the physical quantity. What is meant by physical quantity? The quantity which we can measure is called as physical quantity. For example, if I want to measure 5 minutes, I am measuring time here, right? 5 seconds. Again, this is also I am measuring time only. 20 kgs, right? 20 kg. What I am doing? I am measuring something amount of the substance. So here, whatever quantity that we can measure is called as physical quantity. There are so many different types of quantities which we can measure. Mass we can measure, amount of substance we can measure, length we can measure, time, temperature, electric current, light intensity, etc. All these things we can measure. Therefore, we are calling these quantities in the physical quantity. Also, physical quantities are divided into 3 parts. First one is fundamental physical quantity, second one is derived physical quantity, and the third one is supplementary physical quantities. Supplementary quantities are derived from the fundamental itself, or we can say they are the part of the fundamental quantity itself. Therefore, here only 2 parts I am explaining, that is first one is fundamental physical quantity and the second one is derived physical quantity. Okay, now see what is meant by fundamental quantity. Name itself suggesting fundamental means what? Which are the base units, or which are the base quantities, we can say base quantities, or we can say which are independent of any other physical quantity is called as what? Fundamental physical quantity. Now, what is mean by derived physical quantity? Derived physical quantity, again the name suggesting us, it is derived from other physical quantities. What other physical quantities? That is base quantities. The quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities or supplementary quantities are called as derived physical quantities. How many fundamental quantities are there? Total 7 fundamental physical quantities are there and number of derived quantities are there. Also, you have to remember here we are talking about the supplementary quantities. There are total 2 supplementary quantities. What are those 2 supplementary quantities? One is plane angle and the another one is solid angle. Okay, units and the quantities, you just don't worry, we will see in the next video. I hope you understood this one. If you understood my video, like, share and subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Now, thank you.